Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from Garvey. It is a umbrella for my pool. I need to have a sleeve put in, which I don't have right now, so I'm going to try to show you in the dirt. I kind of dug a little bit of a hole, but I'll show you guys what we have here. So this is our solar panel that will be a battery powered for the lights, which will be inside of it. So let me go ahead and plug this in. Okay, and then this is going to go, there's a little place on top for it to fit in. And there we go. Okay, so now we have our umbrellas. I dug a little hole over here, put the umbrella hole in here. See if it holds up for this video. Okay, so here's what it will look like down, and then when it's up, nice big up. You got the crank up umbrella. Then we get it to where we want, and then it's up there. So that's going to be good. It's not going to stay right now because I don't have it in the hole very well. But you can do like this, rotate it, turn it, whatever you want. So my goal now is going to be to go get a sleeve that I can dig into the ground and make it better, or maybe even into the pool area here. So that's going to be it. It's like pretty cool, nice one here, and I can see the lights are going to be coming up and down all these rows here. So I'll have to show you guys at night what it looks like as well. So pretty cool. Great umbrella, nice and big. It's going to give us shade in our much needed pool area. Thumbs up for sure.